check this out. Check it out. I've already removed the first 12 MOSFETs off the board. I'm going to do them in sections, so I won't forget which one goes where, although I've marked the board. Anyway, I've done desoldered those holes. Don't those look pretty? Look at them. I got a couple more to go. Clean them out, but then I'm going to stick them little bastards in there. Where are them little bastards? Well, here's some of them right there. Look at that. See, those are MOSFET chip transistors, and they're handy. Yep. And while we're doing this, I'm watching Twisted Child 420 because he's my hero. He's gonna have 815s in a clamshell wall in a freaking Hyundai. That's cool. Okay, anyway, just thought I'd show you my progress here. That's the burn spot. I'm gonna clean all that up. I think I might paint it purple. Okay, bye.
Mr. Hoover, I want you to be director of the Bureau of Investigation.
The president is afraid.
Once you do this, it's done. I want those files.
Please don't leave me! I'm begging you! Jason Edgar.
Picking the right car insurance is easy. You start with 2 identical cars with the same coverage. One through Progressive, the other through Waste Savers. Both cars are covered, so both cars get repaired. But drivers who switch to 21st save an average of $5.38 for call 88.
To work all every 37 times through my mind off the game count, but it's not. That big. I can point and buy all tools, dude. This I ain't wrong. I just all think crazy. I'm just getting nervous. I can think to my body melt. Look at that 30 hertz 5 EF. That's a bad woofer. Got enough because I'm running for this yesterday. On y'all. It's all fast. That's the water pipe, but I need to make it work more pain hooking up our obstruction. Look at that. You see?